Our heritage has its roots in the dense forests of southern Sweden. Long before the era of digitalization and inverters, Hydroware as a company was founded on the idea of a unique product that takes the modernization of hydraulic lifts to a new level. Since this idea, we've come a long way. Today, thanks to our ingenuity, long-time combined experience and the ability to move with the times, we've become the market leader with potential to change. This is a responsibility that we take seriously. Our industry must move faster into the circular economy, and we won't give up until we're there. Sustainability is an aspect of everyday life. Lifts are meant to be used over several generations, so when we build, let us think that we build forever. Each of us can make a difference, but when we build together, we make changes. Your needs and expectations are our top priority. As an ever-present and reliable partner, we build for you. There is no certainty in what the future holds, but we are sure of one thing. We want to push the boundaries of technological advancements and continue to deliver high-quality products suited for a sustainable world. Hydroware, moving people into a sustainable future.